In this video we're giving an honest review of Fitify, a fitness app designed for beginners and home workouts. The app offers personalized workout plans, a library of over 900 exercises, short 15-minute routines, and video demonstrations for each move. Users appreciate Fitify for its ease of use, motivating structure and variety of workouts, which help maintain consistency. The app works offline, making it convenient for travel or low connectivity situations, and allows customization based on fitness level and available equipment. However, the free version is limited, with many key features locked behind a paid subscription. Some users have raised privacy concerns due to past data exposure, and advanced users may find the workouts too basic over time. The app also lacks real-time feedback on exercise form, so beginners should be cautious. Overall, Fitify is a solid option for beginners looking for guided home workouts, as long as you're comfortable with the subscription and mindful of proper form. If this review helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech and fitness insights.